Bot Enterprises. Today we're going to do a quick video for you. We are trying to watch the Broncos play, and we are unable to do so due to reception. This is what we get. Normally we get intermittent signal, but it's windy today, so we're not getting any signal. We bought a new antenna. We'll show you that from Amazon. We'll link it in the description below. It's a powered antenna. They claim there's 350-mile range, which is a lie, but we're hoping it'll be good enough for us. All right, so here you go. This is the antenna we bought. It says it's compatible 4K, 1080p, 1080i, 720p, indoor, outdoor. Multiple mounting options. Built-in smart chip. And this one, the description said, so this is X0032 FX00N or X1915. Looks like this was a brand, and then someone else put this new UPC over the top of it, so it's probably rebranded. You can see it doesn't actually identify the brand on it. So my guess is this is a Chinese seller on Amazon that got removed from Amazon for some reason and took the old stock and threw a new UPC over it and are back on Amazon. That is pretty much what they do. So we'll give this a shot. The gain there is important. 28 decibels. That should give us the power to be able to get the antenna. This base is supposed to be magnetic. We'll see. If it is, we're putting this in a steel building, so we're going to run this to the top of the steel building, and hopefully that magnet will stick to the roof in high winds, and then we'll run the power out to it along with the cables. We're actually replacing a non-powered internal antenna that we have mounted externally that is not giving us signal. So let's see what's in the box. I imagine it's going to be very simple. There you go. It is definitely magnetic. All right. So you can see you have your base there. Here's your antenna. Go ahead and get that out. So, adapter for that'll be an adapter for this if we were plugging directly in to the TV, but we're going to connect to a coax, so we have a union up there. Let's go ahead and get this assembled. Take that. So you can see there, we hand about 5 inches. Let's see if it has measurements. No measurements. So it has about 6 inches, 5 to 6 inches tall. Very simple. That is a pretty strong magnet. You can hear it thud down. And then should be 17 feet of cable. So that's kind of irritating. So design of this antenna, you can see there, single wire comes into this. And this is where you get your USB power and your coax, where these can be mounted 30 inches apart. We'll get up on the ladder and we'll get started. So, that's definitely magnetic. I'm gonna see if that will get the reception we want right there. This is the cord. I'm just gonna run it up like that. Throw it on the inside. Up here, we'll tie into above there and run along there. So this is our splitter we've been using. We're just gonna undo this. Hopefully we won't need the splitter. We'll just pull that back up through there and do the rest of the work on the inside. All right, here's the temporary install. This is temporary because this is hanging and not secured up, but you can see power there runs over here. That's just a USB charger there, and into that connection. We did end up needing the union. 17 feet wasn't quite long enough to get to the power source, and so we have this installed, power on, and as you can see, TV is off. It will turn on. There's intermittent signal, but definitely not 350 mile range as they claim. It's clear that the reason the repackaging of the antenna, which wasn't in the description, is because they don't work. Do a return and get, there you go. There's some signal. We'll return it and get our money back,